my channel. My name is Jamie with LadyMeraki Designs, and today we're going to be doing something very exciting. I'm going to show you guys how I do my DIY screen printing on my reusable tote bag. So let's get started. So first, of course, we're going to want a tote bag. I got these off of Amazon. We're going to need some transfer tape. We're going to need some vinyl, not the HTV. I forget what this one's called, but just like the regular vinyl. And then I got my kit off of Amazon. It came with everything that I needed. I will link everything that I got, because everything I got off of Amazon. So I will link everything down below. So first things first, you're gonna want to pick out your design. Then you're gonna want to send your design to Cricut or Silhouette, whichever one you have. I have a Cricut. Once you send it to Design Space, you want to cut it out on the vinyl, and then I will catch up with you there. Okay, so we got there. It was a struggle, but we got there. I had a problem with the black vinyl like tearing apart from each other. Like the paper on the back was like ripping. It was just a whole thing. And then the screen was labeled as 10 by 14. So I didn't measure it before I got started, and it's like from frame to frame it's 10 inches, not the actual screen part. So the screen's probably like 9 inches, maybe 8.5 inches. So I didn't want to have to go back, cut it again, weed it again, transfer it to the transfer tape, and do all that. Plus I want a 10 by 10 and 10 by 10 image on my reusable tote bag. So my plan is to just do the lower half, sketch out, because all I'm missing is the top part of the moon. So hopefully I can just freehand, like I'll sketch it out and then just like trace over it in white paint. We'll see how this goes. I forgot to say earlier, and when I was listing everything that you would need, you're gonna need some kind of paint. You can use fabric paint. It's cool. I picked up some El Cheapo acrylic paint. Yeah, El Cheapo acrylic paint. I'll show you at the end how I seal it. But basically, you just need an iron. We'll get there. First, let's put some paint on this tote. You're gonna want something in between, like inside of your tote bag. So I'm just grabbing this old sheet of parchment paper that was used for the vinyl. Stuff that in there. Alright, so we're gonna lay our design where we want it to go. Trying to make sure that it's even. And then I'm gonna keep in mind this top piece. So I feel like this is a good spot. This is the scary part. Putting paint on this mug. Oh, I'm scared. That would have been bad. There's a little piece of tape. Just a little itty bitty piece of tape that was stuck to the back of this. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, let's just do it. Be bold. What if it messes up? Okay, no, let's do it. I think I actually used too much paint. You guys, before I show you, do you think it worked? It worked. Definitely some imperfections, but it worked. How cool. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, I wish I was able to get, now I'm scared. Like, what if I'm not able to do that top part right? Because, like, the lines are, like, so uniform. Except for a little bit down here at the bottom. But I kind of like it. Kind of like it. I wonder if I could, like, no, because then I would have to go like this to finish it out. Stupid 10 by 14. What do I do? It seemed so simple when I was just talking about it, but now that I have to do it, it's like, I don't know what to do. I could just do the top part of the moon. Because I have 2 screens. I think I might do that because I don't trust my steady hand to do it. BRB. Okay, so I'm back. I got the top part of my moon, and then I also decided to do something a little special with the bottom half of the vinyl. I decided to put LMD for LadyMeraki Designs. So let's see if I can do this. So I'm gonna let this dry for a while because I'm gonna turn it inside out and I don't want any smudging or anything, so at least an hour, and I will be back to show you how I'm gonna seal them. Alright, my loves, I am back with the final step. It has dried for at least 3 hours. What I'm gonna do is turn it inside out. I'm gonna stick this towel inside. Okay, got it in there pretty flat. I have my iron, it's set to cotton. What I always like to do is do a test patch, because the last thing that you want to do is put this thing on there and it be too hot and it could send your fabric. I feel like a cotton would be a good fit for this because it is cotton, but you know, you just want to check. You don't want to do all this hard work and then mess it up on the last step, so that's good. So we're just gonna go over it a couple times. Alright, let that cool. Alright, let's flip this bad boy off. And there we go. Our tote bag. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos, you know what to do. Hit those buttons, like, subscribe, share. It really does help me and my channel. And until next Sunday, you guys, bye.